was a legal victory for the Columbia University activist detained by ICE. A federal judge ruled today that Mahmoud Khalil's case should be heard in New Jersey, despite the Trump administration's efforts. Bauman has been following this story and has the very latest.
Mahmoud Khalil's case will move forward in New Jersey. That's according to a federal judge who Tuesday rejected the Trump administration's second attempt to transfer the case to Louisiana. Khalil is the Columbia University graduate and lawful permanent resident who was taken into custody by federal immigration agents last month. A prominent figure in the pro-Palestinian demonstrations at the Ivy League school, Khalil has not been charged with committing any crime. The government is seeking his deportation due to what it calls his activities aligned with Hamas. After being taken into ICE custody in March, Khalil was initially brought to a detention center in New Jersey before swiftly being transferred to Louisiana.
Why is it so important to have this case in New Jersey versus Louisiana?
Everything that's critical to this case happened here.
Amy Belcher is one of the attorneys representing Khalil.
Really, the only tie to Louisiana is it's because the government thinks that that is a better venue for them.
In his decision, the federal judge called the Justice Department's arguments for transferring the case to Louisiana not persuasive. Even though the case will be in New Jersey, it doesn't necessarily mean Khalil will be. A judge has yet to rule on his legal team's motions requesting he be transferred out of Louisiana or released altogether. Khalil is one of several college students in the U.S. recently sought by ICE.
We're all watching very closely what happens here and hope that if we can get relief for Mahmoud, we can head off the weaponization of the Immigration and Nationality Act of immigration law against other people in the same place.
Khalil's wife, a U.S. citizen who is due to give birth this month, said in a statement Tuesday, "I will continue to strongly advocate for Mahmoud's freedom and for his safe return home so he can be by my side to welcome our first child." The Justice Department has not yet responded to our requests for comment. Bauman, CBS News, New York.